Hello everyone. Welcome back to Scholarships Route, your gateway to educational opportunities. Today, we have some exciting news for international students looking to study in Canada. The Simon Fraser University Scholarships, fully funded, for international students for the academic year 2024-2025 are now open for applications. In this video, we will explore its details, benefits, eligibility, and how you can apply for it. But wait for a moment. If you are new to our channel, subscribe for the latest updates and stay with us until the end to learn all about the Simon Fraser University fully funded scholarships in Canada. Now, first, let's delve into some interesting facts about Simon Fraser University, Canada. Simon Fraser University is consistently ranked as one of the world's top universities and is recognized as one of Canada's top comprehensive universities. The university has a total student population of over 35,000 across its 3 sites in Burnaby, Surrey, and Vancouver. SFU offers a wide range of professional programs in business, communication, education, engineering, health sciences, arts, social sciences, and science, with over 100 undergraduate programs available. SFU is known for its innovative and research-intensive environment. The university is particularly recognized for its work in environmental science, health studies, and big data, making it a hub for cutting-edge research and academic exploration. Now let's come with me to our Scholarships Route website screen to dive into the details. The Simon Fraser University Scholarships, fully funded, for international students for the academic year 2024-2025 are now open for applications. The Simon Fraser University, SFU, in British Columbia, Canada, is inviting numerous international applicants to apply for scholarships. SFU offers programs leading to bachelor's and master's degrees. Undergraduate students who excel in their studies are recognized and supported through the Undergraduate Open Scholarship, which provides tuition scholarships to students every term. If you're an international student looking for an exceptional educational experience in Canada, the Simon Fraser University Scholarships for the academic year 2024-2025 could be your gateway to success. Now wait for a moment. If you're new to our channel and want to get the latest scholarship updates, you can also stay updated by following us on our YouTube, WhatsApp channel, and also join Scholarships Route on Facebook and the most popular USA, Australia, Canada, and UK Facebook pages. The link is in the description. Now, let's take a quick look at the scholarship highlights. Study level: undergraduate, master's. University name: Simon Fraser University. Access mode: online. Eligible nationality: domestic and international students. Available scholarships: multiple. Study in Canada. Application deadline: deadlines vary throughout the year. Please check the link here. List of available programs. Simon Fraser University scholarships offer a wide range of specialties, with many major fields of study available across various disciplines. For specific details, you can check our website or the university's official website. Now let's check the scholarship benefits. The Simon Fraser University Scholarship will provide tuition funding and living allowance for both domestic and international students in Canada. Let's check the eligibility for Simon Fraser University scholarships for international students. Candidates seeking to apply for Simon Fraser University scholarships for Canadian and international students should meet the following criteria. Applicants can be Canadian or international students. All applicants, regardless of country of origin or nationality status, will be required to demonstrate proficiency in the English language prior to admission. Candidates must have successfully completed at least 12 units of standard graded courses at university. Applicants should be enrolled in at least 12 units of standard graded courses at SFU University during the application term. Candidates must possess a minimum CGPA of 3.50 at SFU University. Challenge, audit, and non-credit courses are not eligible. Registration in a co-op term, 3 units, doesn't meet the enrollment requirement as it isn't a standard graded course. Students with disabilities are eligible to apply, provided they are enrolled in a minimum of 6 units of standard graded courses and meet all other requirements. Applicants must provide a letter from SFU's Center for Accessible Learning (CAL) at the time of application, confirming registration with the Center (CAL). How can you apply for Simon Fraser University Scholarships? Let's check out. To apply for the Simon Fraser University Scholarships for Canadian and international students, please follow the steps below. Review the application timeline and final cutoff date at application deadlines. Apply online via the Student Information System, go.sfu.ca. Navigate to the Student Center. Access financial aid and awards under Finances. Click on Apply for Scholarships, Awards. Include the scholarships, awards you wish to apply for in your online application. Submit your completed application. All necessary supplementary documents should be emailed to faawards@sfu.ca before the application cutoff date. Arrange direct deposit managed through the Student Accounts Office promptly to ensure you receive any potential refunds. Finally, visit the official links by clicking here to apply now, and kickstart your academic journey to apply for Simon Fraser University Scholarships, fully funded scholarships in Canada. If you found this information valuable, like, share and subscribe for more future scholarship opportunities. If you have any questions, drop them below, and click on the link in the description to apply now. If you are searching for the latest fully funded scholarships, check it out here. Thank you.